There's a great demand for energy-efficient upgrades to existing HVAC systems in homes, buildings and infrastructure. In short, now is the time to position your HVAC company as a reliable service provider to drive business and revenue growth. However, most of your potential customers search for reputable HVAC technicians online rather than rely on word-of-mouth referrals, the yellow pages and traditional advertising. The majority of consumers use search engines to look for service providers in their area. Can your potential customers find you when they search for HVAC technicians on Google, Bing and Yahoo? Will they find solid customer reviews and useful content that would convince them to choose you over your competitors? Have you claimed your listings on Google Plus Local, Bing Places and Yahoo Local? Do you have presence in directories, blogs and social media? Can consumers find your business when they search for HVAC companies in their area? Is your business website mobile friendly? More than half of digital consumption now takes place on mobile and tablet. Does your website adjust and display correctly across an array of devices? Don't lose your cool if your answer to any of these questions is no. We're here to help. Our online marketing services can build and expand your brand's presence and visibility across the web and in specific locations. We'll help you attract, engage and nurture more leads, convert them into clients and build a positive online reputation for your brand. Fill out the form or call us for an appointment.